Yes, ready. Sir, this clause is really the heart of the whole bill. In fact, the approach of the government as revealed in the ordinance was in conformity with the 44th Amendment to the Constitution through Section 3 of that Amendment Act. Stop. My colleague Sri Nanda had raised this at that time as a point of order. Stop. In 1978, the Constitution 44th Amendment Act was passed. Section 3 amended Article 22, from which this bill derives its authority. Stop. This bill derives all its authority and sanction from that article. Article 22, which was amended. Stop. The Janata Party at that time had three ideas, or had a scheme of three ideas. Stop. 1. To establish the independent character of the board, that the constitution of the board must have the concurrence of the Chief Justice of the appropriate High Court to make it appear independent. Stop. Secondly, the chairman should be a sitting judge. Stop. Thirdly, the other two members should be sitting judges or who have been judges. Stop. This was the scheme which the Janata Party had prepared and made the amendment accordingly. Stop. I was very happy, at least for that point, when I saw it in the ordinance. Clause 9 was copied from that. Stop. But when the bill came before us, it was made topsy-turvy. Stop. All the three stipulations have been disturbed. Now it is not the High Court which gives concurrence and appoints. Stop. It is the state government, that is the executive, has taken control. Stop. Secondly, the presiding chairman could now be even a retired judge. Stop. Then the other two members could be those who are capable of becoming judges. Stop. Therefore, you have completely reduced the statutory of the board and destroyed its independent character. Stop. In fact, it is a carbon copy of the executive. Even at this point of time, I would request the Home Minister to reconsider, or at least inform the House in between the promulgation of the ordinance in September and now. What is it that has happened to change your mind? Stop. Is it the pleasure of the executive? What is it? You were going to do the right thing. Stop. I would blame the Janata Party government for not having issued the notification at that time for the enforcement of this amendment. Stop. I am not blaming you, and even the Lok Dal government did not do it as I mentioned. Stop. At least you could have rectified it, Mr. Home Minister. You could have issued the notification for the enforcement of this amendment which established the independent character of the board. Stop. Do not you want justice to be done to the detainee? Sign of interrogation. What is your idea? As my friend has just now put it, do you have no belief in the integrity of the judiciary? Sign of interrogation. Are you giving the proper status to the judiciary in the country? Sign of interrogation. We would like to be enlightened as to why did you change your mind? Why did you destroy its seemingly independent character? Sign of interrogation. Para. Sir, this is a very important matter. Stop. We cannot take these things lightly. Stop, sir. You are a senior statesman of the country. Stop. An important constitution amendment was made 2 years ago. Stop. The executive sits over it. It does not actually issue a notification. Stop. I will appeal to the House. Let us not hereafter have that clause in the Constitution amendment bills. Stop.